Hey everyone, so welcome back to part 2 of my tarot card painting. First half I let the tarot cards pick the colors and pick my technique, and this is where it's at. Loving that gold, heart came out cute. So today I'm just going to draw 4 more cards and I'm going to see where they lead to how we should embellish this. If you remember in the first video, I kept bringing up emblems and everything else, and so I took that as my sign to continue and embellish this. So let's get these cards shuffled and then we'll see what they want us to do. And we're gonna do, let's do 3 cards. Yeah, keep this simple. We're gonna pick 3 cards, see what they tell us. Let's see. Huh. Kind of on the nose, isn't it? Let's start with this top one, 5 of Cups. Number 1, hopeful expectations, a new alliance, return of an old friend. Okay, so let's see what it tells us. Let's see what number 2 tells me, because that's giving me like no symbolism. So number 2, we got Knight of Cups. A young man with light brown hair and hazel eyes, of high intelligence and romantic dreams. Love may come from him. The subject of the reading, he may also be bearer of messages, may indicate advances and proposition or invitation. So return of an old friend, young man with light brown hair and hazel eyes. I don't like where this is all leading me, but let's see what number 3 says. Because right now I'm like, okay. A heart pierced by 3 swords, rain clouds in the background, a depiction of stormy weather. Sorrow, tears, separation, delay. Possible flight of a lover, a meeting with soon. Since this is kind of on the nose, maybe I should do that. And let's see how we can incorporate the a knight riding quietly wearing a winged helmet. Yep. I'm almost tempted to redraw. Maybe I should. You're not helping me, cards. I feel like you're trying to tell me something, but you're not helping me with this. Let's see, how did I pick them up? They were both reversed. Let me see if these 2 help at all. And then if they don't, then we will move on. And I think I'm just, yeah. 7 of Cups, good use of determination and will. A project about to be realized. Well, a project about to be realized. Okay, thank you. You useless cards. King of Wands. Come on, King. A severe, unyielding man, strict in his judgment, suggests the possibility of opposition and quarrel. Let me also see. Well, all 4 of these have led me astray. Definitely plucking on some heartstrings. Oh, good times. So, we're taking this and we're turning it into that today. Okay everyone, so this is where we're at. Loving all the metallics on it. I had to add that golden interference violet because I needed to break up that brown, but I didn't want to lose the overall like feeling of it, so it only turns pink in certain angles of light. I think that's where we are going to leave this one. Those vivid golds. But there we are. I guess I'm keeping it simple today. Let me know what you guys think. Should I come back and add something to this? Do you guys like it as is? If so, let me know in the comments below. Also, the video for the giveaway for the 1000 is coming up, so I will see you guys in that one. Ciao!